Tired of fumbling for your wallet or even your phone at the checkout? If you haven't tried paying with just a QR code, you're missing out. Today, we're unlocking the magic of QR BANCOMAT Pay with Intesa Sanpaolo. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. QR BANCOMAT Pay lets you pay in stores by scanning a QR code at the terminal, directly from your bank's app. No physical card, no wallet needed. The first step, finding the feature. Open your Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile app and look for the QR BANCOMAT Pay, or Paga con QR, option in the main menu or payments section. The first time, you might need to briefly activate it. The payment, scan and go. At a store that displays the QR BANCOMAT Pay logo, open the feature in your app. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the merchant's terminal. Confirm the amount on your screen, authenticate with your fingerprint or Face ID, and you're done. The payment is immediate. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Your phone's battery is your new wallet. Since this payment method relies entirely on your smartphone, make sure it's charged before you go shopping. A dead phone battery means you won't be able to pay this way. So, just like that, you're equipped to pay with a simple scan. A new payment method goes a long way in simplifying your daily purchases. Now I'm curious, are you more of a traditional card user, or are you ready to fully embrace QR code payments? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.